So up to now, as you've probably noticed, lists are very similar to strings in terms of the methods that we use. We have the same index, and we have so many other similar methods. And we have also other methods like joining the list, like append list. So for example, we have two lists here and we want to connect them to each other. We have the very same methods for adding these two lists together and have a kind of union of the list. So here I want to create another file for testing the joining the list or union of the lists, and I'm gonna call this join list.py. So here we can use one of our recent strings, and inside of this, let's save this, and we can also get another list of numbers and paste it here. So imagine that I want to create a new list which is the result of adding these two together. So I'm going to call this union list, and equals first of all I'm going to copy first list. So first list dot copy. So first of all it copies the first list, so we can also write first list here, doesn't really make a difference. Then we can append this list with list of numbers. So here the append method is only applied when we want to add one item to the list, but here we want to extend the list using another list. So here we use extend method instead of appending method, and so later I'm going to tell you how you can also use the append method in order to add this list to this one. There are so many ways to connect or union two lists together. The first one here is by copying the first one and extending it to the second one. So here we can write union list, union list dot extend, and inside the parentheses we can write list of numbers, and in the end we can print union list itself. So let's save the code and run Python 3 sorting this py. Actually, Python 3 sorting, now this is the join list, so let's change the name, join list.py. And here, as you can see, we have two lists that are union together, and we have them. We have the one which equals one of them plus another, and we can use plus itself, which is the easiest thing to do. So let me call this another union, declare a new list, and you can simply write first list plus list of number, and then you can write print another union. So if I print this out, and you can see the very same results by just simply using the plus function, and this is probably the easiest way to add up two lists together or union them. But there are so many different ways, and we're going to use them in order to practice this. And here you probably saw this import C types here, and the reason was that I was using the union function, and so it automatically added this C types union at the top, but because we weren't using that union function, we don't need it anymore, and so I removed it. So if I save this and run it, there won't be any interferences.